In this video, I'm going to show you how to use quick selection in Photopea. To get started, open your project in Photopea where you want to make a selection. Once your image is ready, go to the left-hand toolbar and locate the Magic Wand tool. Right-click on it, and from the options that appear, select the Quick Selection tool. The Quick Selection tool is designed to help you quickly select specific parts of an image, such as an object, a person, or any distinct area. To begin, simply click on the part of the image you want to select. Photopea will automatically try to detect the edges and expand the selection based on similar colors and textures. If some areas are not selected in the first attempt, you can keep clicking or dragging over those areas to include them in your selection. To refine your selection more precisely, you can zoom in by holding the Alt key on your keyboard and using your mouse scroll wheel. This allows you to work on smaller details more accurately. If you want to add more areas to your selection, just continue clicking or dragging over those parts. On the other hand, if you accidentally select something you do not want, you can remove it from the selection in two ways. You can either hold the Alt key and click on the unwanted area, or you can use the subtract option from the top settings bar by selecting the minus icon. This will allow you to remove parts of the selection more precisely. When you are adding areas, make sure the plus icon, also known as the Unite option, is selected from the top bar. You can switch between adding and subtracting as needed while refining your selection. Continue adjusting your selection by zooming in and carefully working around the edges until it looks clean and accurate. Once your selection is complete, you can review it by slightly moving around the canvas to check if any areas are missing. If everything looks good, you can press Ctrl and J on your keyboard to duplicate the selected area onto a new layer. This allows you to separate the object from the background so you can edit it independently, change the background, or apply further effects. Using the Quick Selection tool properly can save a lot of time when working with images, especially when you need to isolate specific parts quickly while still maintaining decent accuracy. With practice, you will be able to create clean and precise selections for your edits. And this is how you can use quick selection in Photopea.